Well, do you use Photoshop? Would you like to use Photoshop? If so, let me make a suggestion to you. I just found that for the next 5 days, the Microsoft Store has a sale on Adobe Photoshop 2023. I'm sorry, Adobe Photoshop Elements 2023. So take a look here at the screen and see what I mean. All right, let's look here. This is the Windows or Microsoft Store, and you could see here today is December 29th. It's 10:30 in the morning, and they currently have Adobe Photoshop Elements 2023 on sale for $74.99. I get it every other year. The last one I have is 2021, so I am due to get it. Looks like it gets pretty good ratings, though there's not all that many of them. There's a few improvements that this one makes over others, so you could pause here and look at this if you would like. Also, I have found that on the Adobe site, they also have the same sale price of $74.99. The only two places I have found this were both Microsoft and Adobe. It's a Windows offer, as you could see, though you can also get it for Mac. I don't have a Mac, but as you could see here, you can also get it for Mac at the Adobe site. And let's see, and the price is the same. So here you go. This is a quick sale I found, and I thought you might be interested.